travel adapters. Opening up the box. Show you what you're getting inside. How nicely it's packed with an instruction guide protected by a cover. This adapter comes in white, 2 USB-A ports, a C port, and different types of universal adapters for your countries. CIV-P, universal plug, you plug in the inputs. You have a release mechanism, plugging into the wall your different zones of Europe, UK, US, Australia, located on this particular side. USB-C PD20 and your USB-A 18 watts. In our zone was simply just free the button, 110 volts. Press the button and push back the switch. To pick another zone, push out. Locks into place. Push in the button to lock back in and release the next one. You can only release one at a time. We'll give you an idea how the unit works by plugging it into a power source. That you can take a USB-A, plug it into the bottom that has a light lit up that allows you to charge your devices, your smartphone, your power bank, your camera, your battery for your camera. Locate the correct port, plug in, and charge. Simply plug in your USB-C to charge your USB-C products. Cables are not included. Very portable and compact indeed. For all the countries that you visit, travel adapter to be brought with you so you don't miss out of the products that you have at home on the go. Enjoy your product if you are looking for a travel companion of a US travel adapter.